Hello everybody! Finally, WhatsApp made it. After years of waiting, WhatsApp has finally released a new version of multi-device support. Starting today, users will get the ability to set WhatsApp account on up to 4 devices, whether it's an iPhone device or an Android device. According to the blog post and the post from Mark Zuckerberg, now you can connect your own WhatsApp account to up to 4 devices. Okay, but now how to connect your WhatsApp account to up to 4 devices? On Android devices, you need first to open your WhatsApp account on your phone, then tap more options, link devices, link a device as you are doing usual. Then unlock your primary phone. If your device has biometric authentication, follow the on-screen instruction. If you don't have biometric enabled, you will be prompted to enter the PIN or use your unlock to unlock your phone. Or if you have an iPhone device, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to WhatsApp setting, tap link a device, unlock your iPhone. If you are on iOS or 14 or older, use Touch ID or Face ID to unlock it. And then point your iPhone to the screen of the device you want to link or to scan the QR code. Now you are connected to your device, and repeat this operation on your other devices and you will get connected up to 4 devices with the same WhatsApp account. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.